Hello student, in this video we are discuss about top 20 MCQ question on polyline AutoCAD. First question is, what is the shortcut command for polyline? Option A L, option B PL, option C P, option POLY. Answer is B PL, enter. Second question is, polyline is option A multiple separate lines, B a single connected object, C a circle, D a block. Answer is B a single connected object. Third, which command converts lines into polyline? A join, B explode, C offset, D scale. Answer is A join. Join command convert a line into polyline. Option 4. Question 4. Which option allow curved segment in polyline? A arc, B curve, C round, B bend. Answer is arc. Arc allow curved segment into polyline. Question number 5. Which option returns from arc mode to straight segment? A exit, B undo, C line, D continue. Answer C line. Line is convert or return arc mode to straight segment in polyline. Question number 6. Default width of new polyline is A 1, B 0, C 5, D depend on units. Answer is B 0. Question number 7. Which option sets constant width? A thickness, B width, C scale, D elevation. Answer B width. In polyline, width set the constant width. Question number 8. Which option closes the polyline? A join, B finished, C close, D end. Answer is close. In the polyline, close option closes the polyline. Question number 9. Which command break a polyline into separate object? A split, B explode, C break, D divide. Answer is B explode. Question number 10. Polyline can contain option A only straight lines, option B only arcs, question number C lines and arcs, question number D, option number D text. Answer is C lines and arcs. In the polylines, lines and arcs are contained for the drawing. Question number 11. Which command edits the polyline? Option A PEDIT, option B DD edit, option C REGEN, option D PURGE. Answer is A P edit. Whenever you edit the polyline, in the command line you enter P edit. Then after that we edit the polyline. Question number 12. Which P edit option changes width? Option A fit, option B width, option number C spline, option number D decurve. Answer B width. Question number 13. Which P-edit option smooth the polyline? Option A, stage. B, rotate. C, spline. Option D, array. Answer is option C, spline. Question number 14. Which object property applied to the whole polyline? A, length. B, width. C, color. Option D, all of these. Answer D, all of these. Question number 15. Polyline length can be checked using A, list. B, units. C, layers. D, match property. Answer is A, list, means list. You can check the length of polyline using the command list. Question number 16. Which option removes the last segment while drawing? Option A, delete. Option B, undo. Option C, back. Option D, erase. Answer is undo. Undo is command remove the last segment while drawing. Means you remove the whenever the last segment in the drawing. Question number 17. Polyline is useful for A, continuous boundaries. B, hatching boundaries. C, CNC path. Option D, all of these. Answer D, all of these. Polyline is useful for continuous boundaries, hatching boundaries, and CNC path. Question number 18. Which command creates parallel copies of polyline? Option A, offset. Option B, mirror. Option C, rotate. Option D, divide. Answer is A, offset. By using offset command, we create the parallel copies of polyline, line, etc. Question number 19. Can a polyline have different start and end width? A, no. B, yes. Option C, only in 3D. Option D, only with P-edit. Answer is B, yes. Yes, polyline have different start and end widths. Question number 20. Which file format commonly benefit from polyline for matching path? A, PDF. B, JPG. C, DXF. D, TXT. Option C, DXF.